Hello designers! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to build a website wireframe by referencing and importing sections from different websites using the MockFlow Chrome extension. Start by clicking the MockFlow Chrome extension icon in your browser and selecting the Page section to Wireframe option. Next, select the web page section you want to import. Once selected, click Convert. You can adjust settings like Import All Images or Draw in Sketchy Style, based on your preference. And choose the MockFlow project where you'd like to save it. This will open the selected project, where you can either navigate to an existing page or create a new one. Finally, click Import to add the converted wireframe section to your page. The selected section will be added to the Wireframe Pro editor. To build a complete layout, simply repeat the same steps for each section you want to import. This lets you handpick the best design elements from various websites, like a hero section from one, a testimonial block from another, or a pricing table from a third, and arrange them in order on your wireframe page to start shaping your own unique layout structure. Once all the sections are imported and organized from different websites, a complete website wireframe is formed by mixing and matching these sections. You can then customize the imported sections to suit your preferences. If you haven't installed the extension yet, it's super easy. Just head to the Chrome Web Store, search for MockFlow Wireframe Pro, click on it, then hit Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. For quick access, don't forget to pin it to your toolbar. And that's how you can quickly build a custom wireframe using real website sections by importing with the MockFlow Chrome extension. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.